And we're live. This is Rene Bañuelos.
And this is Andrew Lane.
And this is this week's live training with 22Social. And today we have a great topic for you, how to build a free giveaway system that gets you referrals. I'm actually reading it. So, but anyway, today, what I like about today is we're not going into the whole what is a giveaway thing. We're just going to give you a brief recap and actually give you 3 ways to increase not only conversions, but also get people to refer you their friends even before they even become a customer. So that's the idea. So we have 3 ways on how to do that to get a lot of free promoters out there. So if you've done a giveaway and you think, well, I already know the basics of a giveaway, I've done a few of them, great, that's great. If you haven't, that's fine, you're in the right place as well. But you're going to get a way to improve them and actually get a lot more traction with them, right? Today, Andrew?
Yeah, so every week we try to give you fresh new ideas to help you get more results. So, you don't have to use all these strategies today, but it's going to give you some ideas to maybe improve what you're already doing. Or if you're just kind of crafting out your free giveaways, your lead generation strategies, this will give you some ideas to kick around. Maybe try them and do some testing with these ideas. I'm also going to show you today not just the idea and the strategy, but also how to execute and implement this with 22Social. So it'll be a little bit of a live demo kind of mixed in with the concepts and the slide deck that we have for you today. So if you're watching live, be sure to comment below. We've got a comment stream. We're here every week at 22s.com/live, 3:30 Pacific time every Tuesday. And we also have a prize to give away every week. We have a new winner to announce. So one of you will be the prize winner today. If you registered here at 22s.com/live, you have been entered to win. So thank you for hanging out with us today. We appreciate you. Be sure to comment, say hi, let us know where you're watching from. And we'll keep an eye on the comments throughout today's training if you're here with us live so that you can ask your questions and we'll do our best to answer them here today.
Also, if you want to tell us what kind of business you're in, maybe what ideas do you have for a giveaway, of what maybe something you've done in the past that you'd like to improve. And if you hear something that you really like, let us know in the comments. Hey, that idea is really, really going to help me out. This is how I want to use it. So just so everybody else gets inspired as well, and we give you extra feedback.
Cool. We got a good crowd on today, so it should be a lot of fun. And on our Facebook group, we've got behind the scenes here. It's kind of fun to see what it looks like behind the scenes as we're doing the presentation. So if you want to check that out, you can just go to 22s.com/group and be sure to join that group. You'll get updates and be a part of the community so you can ask questions there. So when we're not here live every week, you have a place to go. So we are there. And if you have questions, you're watching over there, come on over. We're right here every week. So let's go ahead and I'm going to share my slide deck and share the screen. Be sure to comment and post below. We've got Donovan from Ohio, Jovita from Texas, Jelena from Europe. We've got Mike from Canada. We've got Juan from Colombia. I mean, those are just the most recent comments. That's just crazy, right? We've got John in Chicago, all around the world. Thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate you being here. And we're going to do our best to make this really beneficial for you. We want you to walk away today with something tangible that you can do. Probably stuff you haven't seen anywhere else online before, maybe here or there, but not all in one place, with a system that you can actually implement and use for your business. Not just theories. This is exactly how to do this stuff because it's all built on top of the 22Social software. So if you have an account, you can do everything that we're showing you today without any additional costs. So we'll go ahead and break that down for you right now. With today's topic,
how to build a free giveaway system that gets you referrals, not just leads, but also referrals.
And the question we asked, I think the last time we kind of went through this topic was, what is the best Facebook ad ever created? So you think about that, right? So what is the best Facebook ad you could ever create? If you could spend $1 million on an ad, what would it look like? So we'll kind of get into that here. I think one of our points will answer that here as we get into the 3 big things you could do to get referrals. And turn your free giveaways, not just to collect leads and collect info and start building your brand and building a following, but getting people to share that. So we're going to go through a few strategies today. Before we do, we want to shout out and thank you all for leaving 5-star reviews on our page. Linda, we appreciate it. I just started using 22Social yesterday and I already see the potential it will have for my business. The tutorials are easy to use and set up my page was a snap. So we love hearing that. We're always doing our best to improve our system and trainings to make it easier for you. Thank you, Tim. Loving 22Social. If your business would benefit from a greater presence and visibility on the largest social network, Facebook, then 22S is not a suggestion, but a requirement. So thank you, Tim. That's awesome. William, completely simplified my online life. It was, let's see, prior to using this amazing platform, I was all over the place doing many tasks to get going. Not anymore. Being part of this community is awesome. So thank you for that feedback. And then Megan here, she left a really great review. I'm not going to read all of it, but she is doing something really cool I'm going to share with you in just a moment. As one of our examples this week, we like to share kind of what the community is doing, what people out there are creating with their 22Social apps. So before we get into today's stuff, I will pull that up and show you right now a couple cool examples, because I like to give you, again, some inspiration every week. We got a few examples here to show you. This is Megan, and they launched a summer momentum camp. So it's a wild and brave momentum camp, a virtual camp experience for her specific audience there. And they've got a video here. This is the gate, right? So what they're selling is weekly access to this content. So if you just want some ideas on what you can do with a membership, we talk a lot about that with 22Social, recurring income. Well, we just recently added this weekly billing option. You can check out what she's doing here. I recommend checking out her page, Hendricks Coaching and Consulting. And just go to this app, Momentum Camp, and you'll see how they've structured this offer. Watch the video. You can see the gate here. They've got some content, camp activities. You can see what they're delivering on a weekly basis to all the paid members. And then they could sign up and join. 35 bucks a week, 10 bucks for the first week. So there is a really cool offer. And they're getting this thing going. They're using the Facebook group to facilitate the conversation, to deliver Facebook live streams to their camp members. Just a fun idea, and really excited to see a concept like this come to life. So congrats to you, Megan, and we wish you a lot of luck. And all of you out there watching, I mean, check it out for some inspiration. Maybe you could do something similar at some point down the road. Put your own spin on it. I want to give a shout out to Jay Woolwine. Just saw this free giveaway he put together on his page. I love the copy. Welcome, watch the video, click the button below, see you on the inside. And then he's got a video here, just 13 seconds, got that personal touch, and having people log in to get information. And he's got some video content on the inside. So he's building a list of qualified leads, introducing them to what he's got going on here, and then have them opt in to get access. So an app like this kind of free giveaway you can see here, very straightforward, clear, but how could he get people to share this? And create, when you get one lead to go through this, how do you multiply that? We're going to talk about some strategies today. But at a minimum, this is an awesome, just free giveaway to start collecting leads and attracting the right kind of customers. Another example here, Camille put together a promotion here for a live hangout. So she's doing like a webinar style hangout on her app. And this is the gate. It's going to be in one day. And you can just see the design, the branding. She's done a great job of creating a really good-looking brand, clear description of what's going on here, and chance to sign up and register for access. So if you want to see an example of how that works, I mean, go check out her page and follow her. She's got some great tips to help entrepreneurs and working parents, have less stress. So Camille, great job. Way to take action. Trek Ultra, this is kind of a brand here with products. They did a Father's Day giveaway, free bonfire package worth $400. So you can see how they use a sweepstakes to get leads and introduce people to their brand and their products that they offer. And then the Fempreneur Collective, really cool looking page. She's doing a 5-day Fempreneur Collective Pintastic boot camp. It's a mouthful, but it's pretty awesome and well branded. Really nice design, so you can see what you can do with these apps, how you can really personalize them and customize them to your brand. And then a simple offer, call to action to join this challenge. So some examples to share with you. That I hope that was inspiring for you. And go check them out if you're looking for some inspiration. Maybe even connect with them, like their page, follow them, see what they're doing. Some really cool stuff going on out there. All right, back to our deck. So before we get into the 3 things today, we're going to go through a quick overview of 22Social. We'll spend about 5-10 minutes on this just so you can understand what our stuff does. A lot of you are kind of checking us out for the first time, or you're still kind of new to what 22Social is and how it's so different from everything else you've seen online. It's because our core philosophies are much different. Our whole strategy to get the results you want is very different than the normal approach that most people tell you to take, which is like build a website, create a blog, do a lot of these complex things to get started. We've simplified it down to one system, and leveraging Facebook and other awesome free tools online, you can now do everything you need to do in one place and really build a profitable business all right here on the most powerful platform on the world right now, which is Facebook. So we help you leverage this technology. And really, our goal and what our promise is to you is that we make it simple and convenient for you to build a professional online presence. So if you've seen some of these examples, you can create your lead capture, giveaways, you can start running promotions to generate and attract the right kind of leads and customers for your business, and looking professional online. And these are all mobile-friendly apps as well. So everything you've built is going to be something you can share everywhere online to attract people to your business. You can launch engaging lead capture promotions. Not only set up a page that introduces who you are and have a professionally designed page very quickly, but now you can launch campaigns that are very high level. The kind of features we have built in and we're going to talk about today are very advanced in the sense that I see these big brands using these kind of strategies for their marketing, and I look at the tools that they're using, and some of these sweepstakes and referral tracking tools cost upwards of $50, $80, $100, $200 a month to utilize some of these social sharing features. And all of this is built right into the same system. So you're going to have the opportunity to leverage some of these really, really powerful strategies. And that's part of our system here. And we'll talk about that here in a moment. And finally, creating income. So if you, there's a few different ways to make money, and a lot of you have different businesses out there. Some of you are from local business to online e-commerce to coaching businesses. There are a lot of different ways to create income, but we have the ability. We give you the ability to create. Oops, looks like the mouse forwarded there. We give you the ability to create lots of different types of income streams. It's all built in as well, so you can create membership programs, sell your courses and content online. So those are the big three that we help you do. And at the end of the day, you don't need all the website stuff to profit online. While there are awesome, powerful tools online that help you do these kind of things, we've tried to make it simpler so you can learn one system and do everything you need to do to create tons of success with your online marketing. So how it works, as many of you know, starts with your Facebook business page. This is kind of the core and the hub of your marketing. It's easy to create and manage. It's totally free. We call it the billion-dollar website because the features are just insane that they give you for free. So you might as well take advantage of that. You would take you years to try to replicate what they're doing here, and you spend a bunch of money when, why would you do that? You already have it here for free. So you can use this as your hub, and what Facebook allows you to do is add custom applications to your page. Not like a mobile iOS app. These are Facebook page applications, short, apps for short, right? They install onto your page, and you can now add in your own code and create things that are custom for your business. That would be hard to do normally, but with our software, it's one click to install our software, which allows you to build these custom application pages. So we call them app pages inside Facebook. They've been called a lot of different things, tabs, promo pages. I mean, tons of names out there, but just think of it this way. It's this page inside your Facebook page, just like a website. You have different pages inside a website. Now you can have these different custom pages right on your Facebook page. And it's one click to install, no hosting, programming, coding, anything needed. Just click it, add it to your page. Then you can customize the text and videos. And then you can customize a look and feel in just a few clicks, so you can get that personal branding, make it look professional really fast. Everything you create here is mobile optimized and ready to go. So just some reminders on how that works, right? So this is kind of like building your presence. You can create these pages, and that alone is cool, right? You can put your stuff in there, and it's something cool to start with. The next level, and how we kind of create all these cool, advanced, more powerful features is one simple thing, okay? Every app that you install on your page can have a gate on it, right? So it's a layer over the top of your content that you just loaded in there. So imagine loading in a whole video course or a live stream or a downloadable files or an audio podcast, and then you have the ability to put a gate over the top that requires people to register and go through a process to get inside to the main content area. We'll call it the gate and the main content, because your main content is kind of like the meat and potatoes of what you're giving them. And the gate is what they have to go through. This could be your sales page, your opt-in page. And so how it works is you share your link. Our system lets you kind of create an ad with this link. So when you share it, it's going to have your image loaded in. You can customize the headline, description, and promote it. People will click. Clicked escape on accident. So you saw a head. Most of you know this, so I'm just kind of refreshing your memory here. When they click on it, they're going to land on your gate where they have to register. When they click to go through, you're going to collect their Facebook information using Facebook's login technology, all built right in. You don't have to do anything to get this to work. It's automatically set up for you. And now they get instant access to your content. And as I mentioned, you can also charge for access if you'd like. It's very simple to set all this up. And the default is to have free access, so you collect leads. But you can also connect it to PayPal to have them charge and have to pay to get into this content area. You collect their verified Facebook profile information, and it's all stored and managed easily. You can even hook it up to your email autoresponder or CRM like Aweber, MailChimp, and Infusionsoft, so that all that data is also automatically stored in your CRM. So you're collecting leads here, and it's an automated system to give them access to your content. Cool stuff, right? You can also export this data and do all kinds of CRM tracking, all kinds of cool stuff here. So that's a quick overview. And now we're going to get into, well, give you a little sneak peek. That's the idea of how you're going to do all this. And now we're going to get into the 3 things today on how to create more referrals with your free giveaways. So you ready for this, Renee? We got any questions coming in yet?
No, we're good.
We're good.
I got them.
We've been checking them. So we'll keep an eye on your comments and questions. We're going to get into the core content today. So let's go ahead and do it with idea number one. You ready?
Done. At a sweepstakes or a contest.
Okay, so if you're doing a free giveaway, you're giving away some kind of, like this one here on this example on the left. They're giving away some kind of content, right? A course, a free course. You saw the example earlier of the videos that they could unlock. Well, how do you get people to share and refer that? Well, you could add in some kind of big prize giveaway.
And incentivize your leads to refer their friends by giving away a big prize to a random winner every week or month. Exactly. So they have one more reason, not just to register, but they also have a reason to actually tell everybody about it. And most people, if they're excited about your stuff, they might tell 1 or 2 people, but a lot of people won't even move a hair unless there's some other reason or some incentive. And that's what this creates, is now they can get excited and say, hey, I really want to win this prize. I'm going to tell all my friends about it. So, yeah.
So you increase your cool factor, because now, it's a way to also increase your opt-in. We have a whole training on this. I'm going to show you where to find it, where we kind of talk about how to add a sweepstakes component to any of your free giveaways. So if you're doing a live webinar / hangout, if you're doing a free downloadable file or PDF, or a free video giveaway, or a free access to like a Facebook group, then you could collect the lead and then also have them be able to refer for a chance to increase their odds of winning prizes. And that's just a cool factor. It's a reason for them to open up their email from you. If you're going to have a newsletter email, posting something on a weekly or monthly basis allows you to stay in touch with them. It gives you a reason to communicate with them and keep them as a warm lead. So it's a cool way to make them want to listen or hear from you. You get free promoters, right? So it's a fast way to get people sharing your content. And as I mentioned earlier, what's the best Facebook ad ever created? A personal referral. So these are going to be way more effective when they're sharing your content. The reason you would invest in maybe giving away some kind of physical product, or a free hour of your time, or a free dinner for 2 at your restaurant every week or month, is because you're now getting referral traffic to your page and people are recommending your business. So that's the best ad you could ever pay for. And essentially you're getting it very free. Now I recommend, we have a lot of tips and training on how to do a sweepstakes and like the kind of prize you should give away. Don't make this like a car. I think this guy did a car or something crazy, but you don't have to do that. We've seen a lot of people just give away very simple things. Just make it kind of fun and make it related to your business. A theme is good. So if it's kind of a, if you're a dog walking business, give away a dog treat or something, something fun that's friendly and cool, not high cost or risk.
I was reading the comments, and Benjamin here from, I guess, Charlotte, North Carolina, says he got a credit repair business. So it would be cool if he created a giveaway about, hey, the top 10 things you could do to clean up your credit. And by the way, enter for a chance to win maybe a gift card, because it's a credit card. I don't know, maybe some image with that would be cool. I don't know, just something that came to mind right now. So that's an idea for you, Benjamin. But like Andrew was saying, something that's related, something that makes sense. And it'd be cool, I think. I would like to see a giveaway like that. So
yeah, you don't have to overcomplicate it, but we do have a good training we went through very thoroughly on this. I'm going to point this out to you. In our page, and I'm going to kind of show you, how this works in just a moment. But on our page, in the video section, we do have this playlist up here at the top with our previous recordings. If you go back to right here, get more leads and sales with sweepstakes, we break this down for you, and it really shows you some of the ideas. But if you want a direct link to find a full training on this, just go to 22s.com/notes, 22s.com/notes/sweepstakes. And I actually embedded that video in here for you. And we give you the step-by-step guide on how to do sweepstakes. And so this training is really good. It's going to show you exactly how this works. And we go through those ideas on how a local business, how a personal brand, or even an online e-commerce business can use the sweepstakes and add it to any promotions you're already doing. So this will give you the exact steps you need to make that happen. Back to this. I think that was big idea number 1, to get more referrals with your free giveaways.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Add locked bonuses. What the heck is a locked bonus? That's what we're going to tell you right now.
Yeah, this is sweet. So built right into the system is the ability to add bonus content. So not only do they go through the gate to enter to get some kind of free content, but you could also then have content within the inside that is locked. And they have to refer a specific number of people to unlock this area. So this could be, imagine this, they opt in to get, like you said, a free checklist or a free download or a free video guide or your crash course, or
going back to Benjamin, let's say you give them the top 10 things that are wrong with your credit. Great, that's what they get just for registering. And then if they refer one friend, they get the 10 ways to fix those problems, right? Maybe it's the second part of that giveaway or something to that effect, right?
Right. So it's an additional kind of content upgrade that is only unlocked if they refer at least 1 or 2. You can specify how many people. And this content could be videos, audio. It could also be file downloads. It could be links to external pages. So a lot of people will do like, hey, refer one friend and you can unlock a 20% discount or something like that. And when they unlock it, it'll open up this content area where they can have a button that has the discount link in the button, or it'll unlock an area that has a video course inside. So you could have, or maybe a downloadable file, like, hey, you want the full PDF guide or ebook, just invite one friend and you'll get that. So a couple more things here. The system uses the same referral tracking as the sweepstakes. So it's the same concept, but it behaves a little bit differently, and it does unlock automatically. So if we were to add something like this, let me pull up an example here and we can show you what this looks like. Let's say, let's do like a free course. So you're giving away maybe a free course. Okay, this is a good example. So a lot of you are doing these free giveaways where maybe it's a video or something they get right away. So an instant free giveaway means they're going to land on your gate and they're going to see your offer. They're going to opt in. You're going to collect the lead. And now they're going to get access to the main content where you deliver that content automatically. So this is where you're going to have that content for them. They can watch your video, download your files, whatever it is. Below this, you can have other content areas that they can unlock if they refer a certain amount of people. So the way you do that is click on content. So I just clicked on the content button there, and you hover over one of these areas. So you basically load in all of the content that they're going to get. So if it is a video, you could load in the media here, and everything in this like pink area, let's say everything below the headline is going to be hidden. So if I hover over this lock button, well, first we'll set it up. So if I click lock here, click on that lock, it will give me the option to lock by number of referrals. There's also the ability to do it by days since registered. So it could be timed unlock, but in this case, we're talking about by number of referrals. So you could do, let's say, 1 referral to unlock. If I click preview, Now you're going to notice that the lock is lit up red. So when you're editing your content, you're going to know that this area is locked because it has that red turned red. And if you hover over it, you can preview what they're going to see. So if I hover over it, you're going to see that they're going to see it like this. They're going to see the headline. So you can write something in the headline area, kind of explaining like bonus course, share with one friend to unlock, or free download, just requires one friend to unlock. And they're going to see this button here, and that button's going to open up the area where they can get the referral link. So just hope this makes sense to you. Any of these areas can be locked up. You could have 2 referrals required. There we go. Preview. And now they'll have to unlock 2.
It'll also be days, but that's a whole different training.
Right. We talked about the days and other trainings. The way this is managed is in the SRM, you're going to see all your leads have come through. And then in the leaderboard, you're going to see how many people they referred. And the tracking is the same way as a sweepstakes. But in this case, what it's doing is going to say, well, if they've referred 2 total people or 1 total person, then this area will unlock for them. So when they come back to this app, they're not going to see the lock anymore. They will see whatever you had loaded in there. So it could be a lot of content. It could be buttons that link to things.
It could be a video gallery. It could be a sound clips from SoundCloud. It could be an image with a coupon code that they present when they check out, wherever your e-commerce site is or something, or local business. I mean, there's imagination there. It's the limit.
So that's the concept and how it works. So you can see how if you just change the layout and add some lower content areas, I could just do it like.
And it might not even go ahead. Sorry.
I'm sorry, but just so you know, you do need to have like a lower content area set up. So changing the layout and then adding something like this below, any of these lower content areas will have the ability to have a lock, so that you can set that up. And now that whole thing will be locked. What were you saying, Renee?
Yeah, it doesn't necessarily have to be training. It could actually also be a one-on-one consultation. Hey, give me a couple of referrals or 3 or 4, and I'll spend 30 minutes with you. Give you
refer 3 people, and you're going to unlock a free session with me. And then on the inside, you could have like a link to contact you.
Exactly.
Because they're only going to see that, or a messenger box in here or something where they can like, hey, a little video like, thank you for referring 3 people. You've now won, you can now redeem your free session with me, a free one-on-one consult or something. Click the button to contact me, or just give the instructions here in the text, telling them to email you or something. All right, so I think we've kind of gone through that thoroughly. Any questions coming in on that?
We're getting interesting here. So Mindy says, so we could have a locked sweepstakes. So if they refer my app, file will give away to 5 people that are entered into the sweepstakes. You could do that. However, our system's not set up to restrict it to only people who referred 5 win. So you would have to manually select the winner, go to the leaderboard and say, hey, who's eeny, meeny, miny, mo, pick somebody who's referred at least 5.
Yeah, on that point, I mean, if you have, here's the important thing to know. If they go through the gate, you're going to get their information. They're going to opt in. Mm-hmm. You collect the info. Technically, they are entered. At that point, anyone who's in the SRM will have the ability to be chosen as a winner. So anyone who's opted in, gone through the gate, will be entered to win if you're doing a sweepstakes with this.
Right. If you only want people who referred at least 5 people to enter, then you're going to have to manually choose that winner.
You can see in the leaderboard if they qualify, right?
Right.
But that you're getting kind of nitpicky with that.
Keep it simple. We've learned over the years that every time we try to get super creative, people just get confused and they don't take action. So just keep it really, really simple. In fact, for those referrals, I would not do more than 2 or 3 referrals for something big, but more than likely probably the one that says 1 referral gets you this unlocked. People can actually believe, yeah, I can get 3 people to register. Otherwise, they might not do it. So I wouldn't go too high on that, like asking for 20 referrals or something too crazy.
Yeah, really, it's a great way to enhance a sweepstakes because you can tell them, hey, click here to get your referral link, invite friends, and increase your chances of winning. And if you refer just 1 friend, you're going to unlock this bonus download or this bonus discount or this bonus training, something that they get bonus, and then they can unlock that area.
Yeah, so it's a combination. You could do both, right? The sweepstakes and unlocking stuff. So you can run both.
It's a cool strategy. I mean, there's whole software programs built just around this concept.
And this is built in right here.
Sold. I mean, it's just a thing you could do. So it's another thing that another strategy you can implement if you want to, but it can get kind of messy and complicated. So just keep it simple. That's definitely more of an advanced strategy here, but it's pretty cool and it's all built in. So a lot of you didn't even know that was possible with our system. Number 3, turn your leads into affiliates.
Yeah, this is a little more advanced, but I think it's definitely worth mentioning because some of you guys are ready for this. And basically, you have your giveaway, right? But that's probably not where your funnel ends. I mean, you obviously are collecting leads for a reason. So you're probably more than likely going to create a paid offer, and maybe it's a course, maybe it's a coaching session, and maybe it's live training, something that you're charging for. See, this would be a whole second app. Sorry, this will be a second app. So you already have your giveaway. So you create a second app that's your paid offer, and it would be your upsell from that to that paid offer from your giveaway. So you can tell them, hey, you know what? Create here's your giveaway. Better words than that, but here's your giveaway. Now, if you want more, I've also got this to sell, right? In better words than that. But also, if you refer friends to this to my giveaway, anyone who buys, you're gonna get a commission. So now I have another reason to send referrals to that giveaway. It's not just maybe to earn a prize or get more chances to win or unlock content. It's for actually cold hard cash, right? I'm gonna make some money. So this will definitely get people moving.
All right, so we got to break this one down.
Yes.
This requires some of our more advanced stuff. So let's say this was the free course here that we've been talking about. It's kind of a good example, right? So you had a free mini course, and then your premium course is the upsell.
Right, correct.
So walk me through this, Renee. I'm going to open up both of these. So I have the free course here and then a paid course, premium course. And let's say this is the premium course. There's a little more stuff in here, downloads, and this is like the full thing.
Okay.
What do I do?
Okay, we got to link them together first, right? We got to create the
Let's be clear on that. Linking them together. So we got to set it up so that when the affiliate link for this course. Okay,
actually, I'm going to break it down.
You're going to break it down.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it simple here. So we got to get the link for this. This is the paid course here, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to get the URL for this. I'm going to get the short one. If you see the little chain icon here, I'm going to get the permanent smart link. Copy that. I'm going to go back to my. This is the free course or the giveaway, and maybe this is the giveaway here. And maybe in the video, I tell them, hey, by the way, I have this other offer. I'm going to add that to a button, right? I want them to buy, right? So I'm going to hit content, hit buttons, and this first button is going to be buy. Better word than that, but basically buy the upsell.
Buy upsell. That's awesome.
Here's the link. I got to add HTTPS. And boom, I got that button. That's the first step, right? It's your upsell. You're going to describe it in this video. And then down here, I might say, hey, refer friends and earn commissions, let's say. So that's another section in my giveaway. And let's assume I'm going to throw a video in.
Let me make this a little easier to see here. So this is getting, actually, I'm going to build this as if we would do it. So you've kind of seen the steps. We took just the straight up link from the other app, put it into this button. Now we're creating a lower section. I want to change this to like what I would actually do. I would do something like slide 3. I would do this 2-column below.
That's right.
And let's just take one of these video links real fast. So I'll kind of set it up before we go into the technical stuff.
Yes, at least visually it's right.
Maybe put an image or a video in here. And this will come together for you. I know this is a little more advanced, but this is a really cool strategy. I'm going to turn off the locking because I don't want this to be locked. All you have to do is make it 0 to turn that lock off. Same with this one. And I'm probably going to do a like questions, comments box over here. Once we turn this off.
That's weird. There we go.
Let's go to 0. Okay, this area, I'm just going to say like maybe there's some confusion. So like questions, send me a message. Check this out. Delete all this. Turn off this button. And now I'm going to change this media to not an image or a video. I'm going to turn it into a social Facebook Messenger box that'll pull from the page. So now it's going to be a messenger box for your page where they can send you a message directly to your page, and it'll show up in your message inbox on your page. So they have the ability to contact you right there.
If they're confused or have a question, right?
Right. So I'm going to say that. So now we've got like the foundation set up.
Okay.
So let's go back to what you were doing, Renee. I'll let you take it from there.
Yeah, sure. So we already got the link to buy. Now where it says refer friends and earn a commission, I'm going to go back and edit the content again. And I'm going to edit that button and say, get your referral link. They all have they're going to get a unique referral link so they can send that to their friends and earn some commissions. Referral link. I'm going to say, and I don't have the link yet. I'm just going to leave it like that.
They won't have a link, so it wouldn't work.
Yeah, I know.
Just leave that open for now.
Yeah. Let's go back to the other app. We got to get that referral link.
We're on the paid course app now.
Yes, premium course, paid. Going to go to the gate. And I'm going to go to access settings. And this is actually set up as a lead right now, but I'm going to assume we're going to set up a single payment. We don't have to for demo here, but you would have to set this up, the price and all that. I'm assuming that you got all that down. You already have your paid offer bid.
A little slower. So your gate on the course is set up as a single payment. It has to be a single payment, not subscription.
Exactly.
It has to be a one-time payment.
And not a lead, because leads, there's no payment with leads. So single payment. Yeah, set up the product name, your seller's name. Let's say that was $100 product and US dollars. Connect your PayPal account. Affiliate setup. This is actually very, very important. So how much you want to pay them out of the $100 after fees, because PayPal has a fee and we have a $1 fee we can get rid of. But let's say you wanted to pay 50% commission. So it'd be $50 minus fees for everyone they refer. So that's affiliate. Super affiliate is if you get someone who referred somebody.
Let's just keep it simple. If you don't know a super affiliate, don't do it. Yeah,
and then discounts. That's a whole different animal. But so you hit yes, and then that's pretty much for this page. Now for the advanced section.
Yeah, go back. Do you guys realize how crazy that? Okay, we just set up a $100 access to this course, and we have a 50% affiliate. Okay, this is really cool that you can do it that simply, and have a paid course, right?
That's right. Now
that's required to do this strategy.
Yes. Now the advanced section. Here's a challenge. Normally, the default behavior is that someone has to buy before they become an affiliate, but we're going to disable that. We're going to allow anyone to register, anyone to get the referral URL without going through the gate, without purchasing, basically. So we're going to turn that on, and we're going to copy this URL here. This is a URL that's going to take them to get their unique referral URL. So when someone goes to this URL, it's going to generate a unique one. If Andrew goes to it, he's going to get his unique URL. If I go to it, I'm going to get a different one, and so forth. So now that we have this URL and we turn it on so anyone can refer, they don't have to buy, then I can go back to the giveaway. And in that button where it says get your referral link, I'm actually going to throw that in there, the one I just copied from the other page.
So this button now, preview that, they're getting their referral link for the other app.
Exactly, not for this one. So we're getting close.
So at this point, if you kept it like this, they would actually get a referral link to share the paid course.
Exactly.
Which by default, that's what it'll do right now.
Exactly.
But what we want it to do is actually refer to this free giveaway first.
Correct. So this is where it gets a little advanced. And where it says app syncing, we have the intro product app ID. So we have this paid course, right? But there's an intro product. There's like this freebie that's the introduction. So if we want people to send referrals, people who send referrals to go to that intro product, that giveaway, and not this course, we have to get that ID in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get the ID for the intro course or the free course, your giveaway, basically. If you go to the top and you hit on that link icon, then this number down here in this pop-up window, that's your the ID.
Do that one more time, Renee.
I'm going to cancel. Scroll all the way to the top.
Let me do my zoom in because this is not intuitive. So at the very top, the link here, in this admin dashboard, these little preview, mobile icon, link, smart link settings. Click on that. In this section here, which was where we got that permanent link earlier, is also this app's ID. Click on that and copy it.
Yes.
Just want to make sure that was really clear.
And now we're going to go back to the paid course, and we're going to set that original giveaway as the intro product for this paid course. Pop that ID in there, and that's it. I can't preview because I didn't connect the PayPal settings, so it won't let me save.
Just change that back to lead, I guess.
Yeah.
For now, but we had that set up to be an affiliate. So.
All right. So again, just you have the intro app so that all the leads that people refer to don't go back to the paid course. They start with the giveaway, and we allow anyone to be an affiliate because we don't want to have them buy before they become an affiliate. So that's checked on.
So one more time. So you have a paid course, and you can make all of your affiliates send traffic to a free giveaway instead of sending the traffic to buy this course.
Exactly.
It's like a two-step process now. With that intro, they're gonna be driven to that first app where you're actually gonna have them get on a list. You actually collect their lead, then you present a paid offer. It's more of a natural progression to get someone as a lead and then tell them about your paid stuff instead of just sending referral traffic or affiliate traffic straight to a buy page.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is basically saying I want them to start at the beginning of the funnel, not halfway through it, because this paid course is the second part of your funnel. Okay, and then hit preview and save, and that's it. This won't work as expected right now. If I click on this button, actually, I'd rather describe it because it's not set up as the other one's not set up as a paid. We left it as a lead, Andrew.
I could do it. I can make it paid real quick. Why don't I just show you how it looks? Let me just make this one. I'll set it up off. I'll set my PayPal account and hook it up. Whoa.
Oh, something happened. That's
okay.
Just stop sharing the screen.
All right, let's try doing that again. All right, I'm gonna just. I got it. Okay, it's down here. So give me a second.
And you pull the
wrong one. Okay, crazy stuff going on here. Okay, I'm gonna set up the paid course down here real quick. So the gate is actually set up as a single payment. Give me 1 second. I'll do test, seller name, me, price. We'll do 100. Affiliate.
50%.
50%. It's like we did earlier. I'm just doing this on another screen, guys, so don't worry.
Yeah.
Connecting PayPal. Again, showing you how fast it is to just create a paid product. And then we'll kind of demo this thing. Okay, granting permissions and boom, connected. All right. Now that thing disappeared again. Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Yeah.
Now I need to get that back because I can't save it. Oh my gosh. Apple, what are you doing to me?
Click on escape. Oh no, whoa.
Okay, so I have to redo all that again. It's not gonna work because I can't save it. Dang it. Oh man, this is weird.
All the full screen issues. Click on desktop. Oh, click on desktop.
There we go.
Oh, that did it.
Oh, getting fancy, and it pulled up the old one.
I don't think that's where you had to work, but I think go back to the access settings. It connected it anyway, even if you closed it.
Even if I saved it? I didn't save it?
Yeah, the connection part is independent.
Really? Okay, well, let's take a look.
It should be there.
All right, let's set it up. All right, so we're setting this paid course, which most of you know how to do. If you don't, you're going to learn real fast. Okay, lead access, single payment.
Whoa, connected.
It is connected. So my PayPal account is connected on this app, so it's ready to go. Me, do 100 US dollar affiliate setup, just like we did earlier, 50%. Oops. And the product is set up, connected to PayPal.
Make sure the advanced settings were saved. I don't know if yeah, they're there.
Okay, allow intro product. Okay, so you see those essential things to make all this happen with a single payment. Agree and preview and save. So now we've officially made this gate paid access. So this premium course is actually a premium $100 course now. So Renee, why don't you show us the magic of now You get someone to opt in for free to get your free giveaway. It could just be one video, maybe a PDF download, but now below.
It's like, oh, I want to refer friends and earn commissions. Get my referral link.
Turning your leads into affiliates with the magic of a loading screen.
With the magic of slow internet. What the heck's going on today? There we go. Yep.
So what it did on the behind the scenes, by the way, there was a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes because it was doing what, Renee? It was like connecting their Facebook account.
Yeah, I've already authenticated with Facebook so many times it doesn't ask me anymore. But if somebody brand new, it's going to ask them to allow that second app and say, hey, I'm okay with connecting my Facebook account, basically. Now at this point,
yeah, and so really they're gonna register with that second app
exactly
to become an affiliate. So it did it magically behind the scenes, but a new person would have to allow permissions there. That loading in between there was actually figuring out who that person was, and then connect it to the second app.
It's telling me I can earn 50% in commissions from product name test that Andrew named it, and here's his PayPal link that I'm going to receive payments from, and I have to punch in a PayPal email. So
this is what your affiliates would have to do.
Exactly. So this is the affiliate experience. So
this is it.
Yep, I agree. Get my link. And there we go. Are you looking at Lucy in this one?
Huh?
Oh, no, this is the fan
Andrew.
page. Yeah, this is the fan page.
So it's going to pull up the logo of your fan page, and you see the color palette and everything here. But this is the leaderboard and the link that you get from that second app, and now it's going to refer people to the free app. We need to map this out, I think, with a whiteboard and all that. But some of you kind of get it. Let me copy that. So they share this link. It will send traffic to the free course.
Yep.
And if people opt in, not only will they get referral credit here on this app.
Yeah. So the system's smart enough to know, hey, Andrew came here as a referral from me, and he's trying to buy. And the system goes, who referred him to the second app? Oh, nobody. But actually, Andrew was referred to this first introduction app already. So I'm going to give Renee credit. So basically.
So it gives you credit.
Yeah.
It figures that out.
Yes.
So sending your affiliate traffic to the free giveaway is awesome because if they buy from here.
Right. And you could have multiple. You could actually have 3 or 4 products in here. Not that I really recommend that because people can get confused. But let's say you had 2 or 3. It doesn't matter which one Andrew buys. I'm going to get that credit. As long as I've actually registered as an affiliate for each one of the products. I keep it simple. Just do one.
Okay.
But
yeah, this is a lot today. But if you figure this out and get it going, very advanced strategy here. But if you're making money and you want to have affiliates, this is the way to do it. 2 apps, your free giveaway, right? Collecting leads, and then having the upsell be a second app that has your paid content. It has to be a single payment to use the affiliate stuff.
yes, that's what Facebook. PayPal allows.
Until PayPal changes their API or whatever, right now it's only single payment. So have a paid course, a one-time payment. This also applies with some of the other strategies we tell you about, like the coaching stuff. You'd be like, hey, buy, the paid offer here could be buy a one-on-one session with me, buy this service or package. So now you could have people referring traffic to even buy your time as a product. I hope that makes sense to a lot of you. This is, again, a little more advanced, but let's go ahead and do today's winner. This is a fun, pretty in-depth, some people, I know some of you are very techie and you're doing this kind of stuff. So we want to give at least a training overview of how to make it happen. But that's a really powerful strategy. Turn your leads into affiliates. So you don't have to do all this to start, but you can see how you can really scale your business. So start simple, build big, and profit along the way. This is something you can do down the road when you have something working. Having affiliate traffic and all that and is not something you do right away, but get a product built, start selling it, and then this is something you can add in down the road. Let's go ahead and announce today's prize winner. Ready for this, Renee? And then we'll take some questions here before we finish. Prize winner today is Pamela Church from Castle Rock, Colorado. Congrats, Pamela.
You win 1 year of 22Social Premium. Some of you may be thinking, what the heck is premium? I thought I had 22Social. What's premium? So a lot of you may have a standard account. A standard account allows you to install 22Social with up to 3 fan pages. So if you have 3 businesses, maybe your own, maybe your husband or wife's, maybe a third one's a practice page. And that's covered with the standard account. If you don't have a standard account, there's a link in this page to start a free trial. So there's a plug there. So you're thinking, what's a premium? Okay, the premium allows you to install up to 100 fan pages. And you may be thinking, what the heck do I need to install this on 100 fan pages for? I don't have that many businesses. Well, if you're a consultant, if you're in marketing and you're helping clients, or you have maybe an agency or a marketing agency, and you have a lot of clients, then you could actually, with one premium account, install it in up to 100 fan pages. That's 100 clients. So that's a little business in a box, or a big business, actually.
Business in a box.
So Pamela will be activating your account shortly, and congrats.
Could be you next week. If you're watching, you didn't win, don't worry. Just by registering here at 22s.com/live, you were entered to win. So let's take a look. We're about at the hour mark. We try to keep them to an hour every week. Renee, do you see any questions coming in? I'm going to take a look as well.
Yeah. We have, you want to drag it up there as well?
Yeah, I guess we could pull up the questions and kind of answer them as we go here.
Yeah, congrats. Congrats. Everyone's so great.
Let me turn off the auto refresh first.
Yeah. Let's see. Love the idea of being an affiliate first, then get them into the demo or paid option. Great. Christine must have lost her connection, but I think Jovita here is talking about maybe affiliates, like other affiliate systems. I'm not sure exactly what you're asking, but
it wouldn't be automatic or integrated. There's no way to integrate some other affiliate. You could have links out to other things, but if you want automated things happening with our system and tracking things, it won't work.
And I think she has a bug, so I mean, we'll take care of that. Andy's saying turning your leads into affiliates, genius. Thanks, says he.
Yeah, we answered Mindy's here earlier. Gave some ideas on how to do that. Kind of enhance your sweepstakes by giving away unlock, content, bonus content.
Okay, so he's saying, how do I restrict the giveaway to only US? I guess he might be actually referring to sweepstakes, because he can only ship to, or she can only ship to the US or Canada. I'd say I'd just be very clear in the copy, say, hey, sweepstakes, and then maybe in the sub headline say US only, or so, I mean, there's no risk if other people in other countries see it. In fact, as long as you're clear that only US residents can win, that's fine. I mean, if somebody refers somebody in France, and then that person in France in turn refers other people in the US, you still win. So it's not really, you're not losing much if you get too many leads that don't help. But just be clear on your copy. I would put in the footer.
You really can't restrict much nowadays. I mean, it's a global world. So you just got to be clear if they're going to buy, they can't buy it. And that's the only unfortunate thing, if you can only ship to those places.
And they can't win either, actually.
And then, same void where prohibited or only US. You can be clear in some of that. Because it looks like she's talking about like a free giveaway and then a product to be sold. The issue is the shipping to US Canada. So yeah, just be clear in your copy so they don't buy it and then get upset. Yeah, we have that. There you go. We have that broken down in the legal section. You can check that out. We got some tips for you there of that note. If you're, did it really? What happened?
I don't know. This is weird.
Refresh. Yeah, that was weird. Also change the opacity of the colors. You can change the shades, but not opacity. You could do a lot of stuff with the media and your own custom graphics with opacity with a PNG, but not the. At this time, there's kind of limited options with the coloring. Where to start? Good question. You know what I recommend? There's a button below this, the 1K challenge. So it kind of depends on what you're doing.
I think she's in jewelry business, Andrew, right? Is that the same question?
Yeah. If you go to
no, I'm sorry.
Well, if you're watching this page, if I pull it up, there's a button for that 1K challenge. And really, it gives it like a bunch of ideas for you, and it has links to different things. So if you go to 1K challenge, I like this link here just because it kind of gives you a great overview of how to make some additional income. But you also have these other ideas down below that kind of break down all the main things that our app does for you. So you can link over to these notes, like coaching, courses, memberships, hangouts, giveaways, sweepstakes. And each of these will open up a whole training on how to implement these strategies with trainings within it to help you do that. So that's probably the best place to get started with our stuff. And I mean, the sweepstakes here would be great if you have e-commerce or whatnot. Even live hangouts have worked for e-commerce, but the coaching, courses, and memberships is more for like online income streams. These are more for lead generation and promotion. So that's a good place to get started. Okay. Hey, Christine, about to do that sweepstakes. There you go. Okay, let's take a look at any other questions that we can get to before we wrap up. A couple more minutes, so post your questions now. Awesome. Congrats, Mindy, for getting your first course built and getting that going. The list stuff. Yeah, again, Mindy, for you too. If you haven't watched that one yet, list building, these three here, giveaways, instant free giveaways, sweepstakes promotions, live webinars, or even combining all three of these into one, mega lead generation campaign can be done. So these kind of trainings are going to help you do this stuff. Whatever your strength is, right? Everyone's got their own strength. If you're great on camera and you want to do like a webinar to do like a free workshop or training for your graphic design where they could show up and watch you and you can kind of share your expertise and interact with them live, and then share your course with them and show them what they're going to get. That's a great strategy if you're good on camera. If not, maybe just a free giveaway, like a free sample of your product, or a sweepstakes, like maybe one person will win some kind of design-related product, some cool gadget, or maybe a workshop with you, one-on-one. Kind of depends on what you're selling. So it's got to be a natural progression with those sweepstakes.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah, this one sounds interesting, Jeff. That's probably something, if you could post on the group, I feel like that'd be a lot of different ideas people could have on that one. Giveaway for my consumers a chance to use Beacon before buying.
I think we have to understand what the heck, how the Beacon works before we can recommend something.
Yeah, but a giveaway is probably a good step. But like at least information, hey, click here to learn about how this could work for your business. Watch the video overview. Plus, you'll get you can get a call with us. They could schedule like a meeting with you or something if it's more of a high touch, like high price product. That'd be a good place to filter them out though. A free giveaway oftentimes is a filtering mechanism. So you can have them go through a process and then you can follow up with them to kind of educate them on the benefits of your product and try to find the people who are the best leads. So with that, I think we're going to wrap up today.
Yep.
Let me refresh one more time. Anything at the top here? I think we're good.
I think that's it. Oh, how many lead pages can I have in a regular account? Linda asked.
Good question.
Yes.
So with a standard account, you get 15 app installs on a single page. You have up to 3 fan pages. So 3 fan pages, 15 apps on each page. So 45 total apps, but Facebook limits it to 15 installs on a single Facebook page. So that's your that's what you have to work with.
Another question Jovita asks, is there a template we can use to promote 22S on our pages? What do you think, Andrew? Just go to 22s.com/go and get the referral link.
That's probably it. Yeah, just /refer/ like in the in your app dashboard, you have a refer button at the top. You can open that up.
Yeah, and it'll actually post you can refer to the training as well. I mean, if you want to refer to the training,
this app right here could be a good place. Yeah, so you can refer to this live training, or we should probably put all that below. Also, one more thing I want to point out is, let me just share the screen one more time. If you're watching and you've enjoyed some of this training, please scroll down below the comments and just give us a quick rating. Take 10 seconds to leave us a quick review. We'd really appreciate it. Give us some feedback, good or bad. Just let us know here in the star rating. And if you really like us, you can even post something on our page. We'd really appreciate that. It means a lot to us. So take 10 seconds to do that real quick if you're watching here. And that's all for today. Any other questions we'll have to take in the group or via support if there's any technical or billing issues. Contact our support team. If it's more of a strategy question, you've got the group available to you, 22social.com/group. That's all for now?
That's it.
All right, guys, we're pretty beat. Thanks for hanging out. We'll talk to you all later. Have a great week.
It's this heat, man. We're burning in San Diego.
Heating up in San Diego now. And the AC is having issues in here. So we're kind of like melting. All right, guys. Thanks so much.
See you next week.
Peace.